Alright, let's go.
That's what we call in the business an epic fail.
Really
Alright.
pretty broad in that jacket.
Let's go.
Do what? Alright, kicking bets. I don't know. Ray's a competitor. I got.
He has huge muscles. Look at his foot.
Oh!
Oh, he got that.
I did.
That was the best thing I've ever seen. That was way better than the slide. Get him, Ray! Attaboy!
This has to be the best thing I've seen all day.
This has gotta go, dude. You gotta send me this video. It'll go on YouTube in a heartbeat.
I have to post it on my computer. This is the best entertainment.
Go, Ray, go! That almost makes me want to do it.
I know, almost. Ray can't get out.
That vest looks pretty good.
Oh, man.
All right, the champion.
That was... I won! I did it! Oh, man.
Actually,
My face
his
hurts.
one is way harder than